How to pay Milestone Credit Card. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay Milestone Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first step is to open up any of your web browsers, then search for Milestone Gold Card. Then you simply want to tap on this website, which is milestonegoldcard.com. Now it will take you to this place. You want to make sure that you are logged into your account. For that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on My Account. Now you want to enter all of your credentials and get logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to navigate to a Make Payment section. Now choose the amount you wish to pay and select the payment source. Now you simply want to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. If not, you can make the payment through phone. For that, you have to contact Milestone Customer Service, and the toll-free number for Milestone Customer Service is 1-800-305-0330. You can easily find this number on the Milestone official website. Once you dial the number, you will have to provide them with the necessary account information. So make sure you have those information. Additionally, you can also pay through your Milestone Credit Card app using your phone. So that is how you can pay Milestone Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.